Hi guys, in today's video we're going to look at what are condensation polymers, the classification of these, the formation of polyesters and polyamides, and finally we'll look at an exam style question.
So what are condensation polymers? Well, we've met polymerization before. We met these reactions in the formation of addition polymers, while condensation polymers are very slightly different. To form our condensation polymers, the small monomers join together and a small molecule will be formed in the process. And this molecule is often water, and that's how we get the name condensation polymerization. There's water being produced. So one of the main differences between condensation polymerization and addition polymerization is that in our condensation polymerization, there may be two different monomers that join together to form the polymer. It's not always necessarily the same monomer. So let's have a look how we can classify between addition and condensation polymers. Well, generally speaking, there are some certain things we can look for to identify whether we're going to form an addition or condensation polymer from our monomer. If our monomer has a carbon double bond carbon present, then it's likely it's going to form an addition polymer. However, if we have two monomers with different functional groups, it's likely we might form a condensation polymer. Or if there are two functional groups on the same monomer, this is also true. So it's important that you look out for these things and you're aware for these features when you're looking at your monomers in order to determine what type of polymerization may take place. So let's have a look at some condensation polymerization reactions. We're going to begin by looking at polyesters. So in order to form our polyesters, we need a dicarboxylic acid and a diol. The di part is telling us there are two functional groups. So if you have a look, this is our diol. You can see there's two alcohol functional groups. And in our dicarboxylic acid, we have two functional groups as well. So we said that when we form our condensation polymers, we also produce a molecule of water. Well, where does that water come from? Well, if you look, we get an O and an H from the dicarboxylic acid and an H from our diol. And then we join these two monomers together to form a polyester that has a general formula a bit like this. You can see where the diol would fit in and where the dicarboxylic acid fits in. And I've just added in water at the bottom, molecule of water. I haven't balanced this, I've just done that to show you that we are producing some water in this reaction.
Hey guys, to continue watching this video and unlock hundreds of other super concise and exam board specific A-level chemistry videos, click the button. Join me today and together let's make A-level chemistry a walk in the park.